That is an interesting and a well-founded question. What you really need to think about is what your objective is. Your objective, if you're the couple, is to have your child bouncing on your knee at Christmas time. If your objective is to be a surrogate, it's to provide a gift to someone that they can't otherwise provide for themselves. But in the process of doing that, if you don't go about it in the right way, it is an area wrought with traps. What you need to be using if you're going to do it, first of all, you need to have people who have their heads together as far as what they're going to do and how they're going to do it. And the way you get that is to be dealing with psychologists in the process to make sure they're dealing with a surrogate who understands what her responsibilities and obligations are, and a couple who understands what their objective is and what it entails to get there. You also need to be dealing with a well-done, experienced, knowledgeable agency. Trying to do this on your own is wrought with conflicts of interest, is wrought with pitfalls for mistakes. But if you're dealing with a good agency who knows what they're doing, they can make sure all these things come to play. In the process of doing it, you also need to deal with an experienced lawyer in the area of reproductive law. A lot of lawyers can go out and buy a contract and say, oh, I know how to do surrogacy. But if you really aren't involved with it, if you don't understand the conflicts associated with it, if you don't understand where the law has been and where it's going, you can't really adequately service your clients. And in the process of doing it also, you want to make sure you have lawyers on both sides of the party so that the surrogate is well informed, as are the intended parents. In essence, what you must have is experienced, knowledgeable professionals to effect this process for your enjoyment and your benefit.